All yours,
So
sir.
everyone can hear. Oh, all mine. Okay. Thanks, Amaya. Thanks for the lovely introduction. I don't think so that this much it's required or not. Okay, anyway. Good evening all. How are you? How's the Josh? सब घर पे आराम कर रहे हैं ना? Enjoying. ऑफिस भी है. चालू होगा तो आना भी है. ऐसे नहीं कि बोलो कि घर पे बैठे हो एंजॉय करो, ऐश करो. चलो house. Hope all are safe and happy, having a good time with the family and your parents and everyone. Good, very good. First of all, I just want to thank Prashant and Amay and HR team for giving me this opportunity. Thanks a lot for that thing. So guys, let's have children interactive section. जो भी अपने experience से सीखा है and मेरे mentor से सीखा है, I would like to share it today. I'm sure guys you have been drilled by now through SLP. जो training चल रहा है उससे. Everyone come and say that कि ये trading, वो leader, ये leader. So today again I'm going to say something for you. Chalo, let's start. Share my views on leadership. My fundas is simple, and if you ask me, every person is a leader in himself. It's just a matter of realization. जैसे बोलते हैं ना जौहरी हीरा को तराशता है वैसे ही. Try and be a जौहरी who can extract good quality and throw away waste to build best out of each person. Let's see one by one. We'll start with the leadership. We'll start with leader. First alphabet L. First letter, मेरा बहुत favorite है. Half of the battle is won with this only. This L stand for love. Love is the first and foremost important for me. Love your work, very, very important. If you don't love your job, you can never give your 100%. Love your people, show them, don't pretend. Really make them feel they are important for you, as they are the one who help you to achieve your goals and deadlines. You would never give up on situation, on a person, or difficulties at workplace or at personal friends. If your team feel loved and they are important, they will ensure to put more than 100% effort to fulfill the team goal. Also, whatsoever is the situation, they will be with you strongly. You all and our apna, jo company and our company can be the best example for this. Hope so I'm not boring you. Chalo. Next, the alphabet in leader is E. And E, I'll go for with ego. Hope so everybody is surprised. How come ego comes? Why I'm saying ego? We have always learned. हमें ego नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes, guys. You should not have ego. A leader is about to do and don't. And this is very, very important factor. One should not have. There is a thin line between attitude and ego. Please be able to differentiate that. Don't ever follow wrong footsteps. Beware. Someone is watching you, following you. You will land up creating negative leaders in the society. बच्चों, हमें वो नहीं करना है. Okay? चलो, I'll just got a forward message share करता हूँ आपसे. Hope so आप लोग बोर नहीं होंगे. You all know Nelson Mandela. Once Nelson Mandela was traveling with his guards. They happened to stop for food break in a hotel. खाना खाने के लिए wait किया. गए. On another table, there was one man sitting waiting for his order. मिस्टर नर्सन मंडेला ने अपने गार्ड को बोला, आस्क हिम टू जॉइन विद अस, साथ में खाना खाएंगे बोला. Then food served, everyone started, but entire supper this man had his food with shivering hands. Once everyone was done, they left their ways. One of the guards said to Mr. Mandela, I think this man was sick. He was shivering so much. On this, Nelson Mandela thode hase and replied, he was a jailer of the same jail I was sent to. After every torture, when I used to ask for water, he used to pee on me. He expected the same from me today. It was easy for me carry ego behavior. He carried for me. It's difficult to not to reciprocate. So guys, difficult things makes you different. Now the next alphabet will go for a A. Amay, can you hear me properly, right?
So you're audible. You're very much audible.
Okay. Bore to nahi ho raha na?
No, sir. It's a very different insight.
Chalo. Then I'll go for a A. A is something would everyone like acceptance. One of the most difficult things for us. Accepting people where they are. No one is perfect, neither me nor you. We have reached a level, definitely, we have changed ourselves, worked on our weakness, probably some of your team matters also. Teammates also need the same acceptance. Accept them, help them to grow, give them a chance to build themselves for future. Accept your mistake without hesitation. बच्चों, एक्चुअली गलती मानने से ही कोई छोटा नहीं हो जाता. Accept your mistake. In fact, you set an example for your subordinates and people around you. Your followers will respect you for your acceptance and might be can excel this quality looking at you. Don't humiliate your team mistakes. Rather, give them a chance, help them find a solution. Our chairman say always, सबको शायद याद भी होगा, गलती करो, जरूर करो, बस दोबारा मत करना. That's what I want to say. Now this next alphabet is D. Can anyone guess what D is? You can write it down in the chat. Demand. Somebody write demand. Okay, it's not demand. For me, it's desire. अगर लाइफ में डिजायर नहीं है तो कुछ हासिल नहीं कर पाओगे. हमेशा दिल मांगे मोर. You need to have desire to be a successful in life. Everyone has a different definition of success, of course. किसी को पैसा चाहिए, किसी को बड़ा घर चाहिए, किसी को बड़ा गाड़ी चाहिए, and किसी को बहुत सारा success चाहिए. Somebody will be happy with lots of happiness, love, affection, friends. Desire नहीं है तो there is no motive of life. Lots of people just work for survival. Where will it take you? A leader cannot be one without a strong desire. Talking about desire, one should have a continuous desire to learn. Always be eager to learn new things. More you have a knowledge, wiser you would be. More you desire, more will you desire, achieve. एक और किस्सा सुनाता हूं आपको. सब लोगों को शायद नाम तो याद होगा, आजकल पिक्चरों में भी आता है, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा. The brave officer in Kargil was deputed to recapture 5140 peak, where Pakistani invaders had taken the position. With superb team effort, battalion was successful in the mission. और भारत का झंडा वहां लहरा दिया. He called his commanding officer and said, "ये दिल मांगे मोर." It's a real story. And with his permission, he moved further to help his team at point 4875 to rescue other battalions. Also, he did not allow soldiers to go and headed the operation by himself, telling them, "तुम्हारे पीछे बीवी बच्चे हैं." He knew survival was just zero chance, but desire of success for his country was ahead of all. Be an example to others. Be an inspiration to all. मैं आप लोगों को ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ जाके शहीद हो जाओ. No, I'm not saying about that thing. Never stop what you have achieved. जो भी आपने अचीव किया, don't make a break. मैंने हो गया, मेरे से हो गया, यहीं तक था. No, you should अंदर से होना चाहिए. दिल मांगे मोर. If you remember, someone asked Shrikant sir about his journey, his success, and what he answered. He said, "Lot more to do. Have that spirit within you." I learned from him. You also learn from him. So now the next alphabet is E. For me, E stands for empathy. यानी कि सुनो, ध्यान दे के सुनो. Listening is a quality one need to develop. कभी सुना है किसी का अच्छे से, शांति से? I don't think so. जितने भी अभी यहाँ जितने मैरिड वाले होंगे बोलेंगे कि हाँ सिर्फ बीवी बोलती है, मैं सुनता रहता हूँ, बस यही चलता रहता है. एक कान से डाला, दूसरे कान से सुन लिया, ओके चलने दो. Where half of the things you don't listen. People around us are like 5 fingers, all of different size and shape. Can we work without even one with the same ease? Definitely no. Team is like that, one palm. Different people, some difficult, some ease, some happy, some distressed. We are not here to counsel them on personal front. But as a better and good leader, we should be able to deal with all of them, understand them, be there for them, so they would be there for us, for the team, for the organization. Listen to your people. Let them know they are important. Their views are important. A non-performing teammate would have other side of story. जब तक सुनोगे नहीं, पूरा सच पता नहीं चलेगा. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि सामने वाले को सुनो और सामने वाले को बता के चापलूसी करो. Never ever do that. जब half of the information will take, जब होता है, so it will take a wrong decision or maybe injustice to some time. Listen to their suggestion and problems. Listen to your team. Taking suggestions will help you improving the team rapport and apparently the success story of your team. Now, next alphabet is responsibility. That's represent R. R is responsibility. It's a key word a leader should always take in mind. More than 50% of our life we spend in our office today. Unknowingly, your colleagues and subordinates turn up your extended family now. As a leader, they are completely your responsibility. Take ounce. Be responsible for your good or bad things happening in your team. ये मैंने किया, या जनरली अपन बोलते हैं ना, ये मैंने किया. कभी कुछ अच्छा होता तो ऑलवेज से मैं ये नहीं किया, मैंने किया. जैसे ही कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, ये मैंने नहीं किया. ऐसे नहीं, ये मैंने किया. उसके लिए यू शुड हैव ए जिगर एंड से, अगर कोई भी मिस्टेक होता है, यू शुड हैव ए जिगर टू से यस आई डन द मिस्टेक एंड responsibility. Give credit to your team and take responsibility for the failures. Take a responsibility to grow them उनको आगे बढ़ने में हेल्प करो, सिखाओ. डोंट बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ शेयरिंग नॉलेज. ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है बच्चों. Enhancing their ability, their knowledge, push them to learn new things. Have a strong communication with your team. Let them have a confidence in you. Take at least, you will listen to them. This will give them a confidence to think out of the box. Be lion of team who rules with his attitude. An army of sheep led by lion can defeat an army of lion led by a sheep. So listen to your subordinate, listen to your followers. You are a leader. You have to listen carefully. Now, next the alphabet. Now the ship come. That leadership. Leader is over. Now ship come. The next alphabet is S. S stand for me is self-assessment. बहुत जरूरी है दोस्तों. Lots of you are yet to handle a team even before you get this opportunity. Start asking yourself, before becoming a leader, being human is very important. वो सलमान खान वाला being human नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. एक अच्छा इंसान, a person with good heart and good intention can become a good leader. You can get knowledge from books, skills can be taught, perfection can be gained, but good behavior and nature has to be within you. Always try to improve your inner ability, your inner skills. Be happy and kind. Your thoughts develops you a person. As a person, it reflects in your action and decision. If you are happy from inside, you will always be able to keep others happy. You will be more approachable. People will want to talk to you, share their issue with you. As said by Ratan Tata in one of his interview, none can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Similarly, no one can destroy a person, but its own mindset. Better the mindset, better person you are. Apparently, a better leader, a better manager. तो नहीं गए सब. Love, ego, acceptance, desire, empathy, responsibility. Wow, great, Amay. Now, the foremost for me, and I want you to be people to go for that thing. That is H. H stand for honesty. It's toughest quality to have in today's world. सच बोलना, सच सुनना आसान नहीं है. If you want to able to adhere it, दोस्त कम होंगे, दुश्मन ज्यादा होंगे आपके पास. But trust me, guys, you will be one of that fortune person with less of crowd and handful of true people around you. Of course, it's my opinion. Honesty is a core of leadership. For you to build trust within your people, you have to be honest. You cannot backstab people, play politics, and accept trust in return. If you have any issue with the person, talk to them directly. Do not discuss with others. Have a trustworthy relation. It will take you long ways. That's what quote said by Warren Buffett. Honesty is very expensive. You can expect from cheap people. Look, there are three things in a person: intelligence, energy, and honesty. If they don't have last one, don't even bother or first two. So honesty, see how important is this quality, where your knowledge, your energy, your efficiency, all your qualities are waste over 1. Now, the next alphabet is I, shipment. That is interpersonal skill. Interpersonal skill is like excellent knowledge about language. Doesn't mean you are the best at communication skills. What matters, it was you talk, you treat people, you develop relation with others. All your success depend on these things. Communication works those who works as build your skills as a leader in such a way you would be able to hear. What you learn something is not able to speak to you. Let them know you would be there by side. Help them to grow, develop, help in helping in tough times. It's easier to order, scold, raise your voice over team, but give 2 minutes to yourself and check if it is required or not. Can we communicate these things in a better way? It will definitely make a positive impact. What I have observed from my experience in all these years, if you yell at a person somewhere back in his mind, he carry that negativity, which impact his work, obviously. But if we patiently in communicating without humiliating or without insulting, a person can work with a positivity and probably we have better and faster result. Last but not least, that is P. P is the alphabet. जो पहले वाला P वो नहीं है, ये P. P means profit. So what do you think? Why I said profit? What is profit? सब सो गए ऐसा लगता है मेरे को. So anyway, for you maybe everybody is saying that profit means, but it's a monetary profit or can earn or something like that. Yes, of course. बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो प्रॉफिट तो बनता ही है, जरूरी भी है. Profit and growth are product of how people work together. Someone rightly said, if you have to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. What you take along with you is a real profit of life. Confidence you built in others. Smiles you got on others' face. Motivation you gave. Leader you created is the profit you earn from yourself. Financial profit is depend on quite a few external factors. Like in current situation, we have resources, but have to wait for an opportunity to earn profit. But with people, every day is an opportunity to add to my profit. So guys, to sum up, being human is important. Become a good leader. Love your people, respect them, listen to them, be with them, be happy, keep others happy, be a motivation and inspiration to others. Understand the power of we. We are struggling. यार मैंने सबके सब लगे रहते हैं मी के लगे रहते हैं. To stop doing all these things. You might reach an individual goal faster from that, but to sustain on top, me is not enough. Together, we can achieve what an individual can never think of. Don't give up on your dreams. Enable your team to chase your dreams. There are times you want to give up after a number of tries. Just want to share a story of Dekana Babar, first soldier to win his Miss USA contest. In how many attempts do you think she made it? Any guesses? After 6 successful attempts, finally in 2016, she managed to conquer and win the Miss USA crown. So, guys, true leaders are the people who live forever, and they continue to inspire generation long after they have gone. So, be a true leader, be a honest leader, listen to your followers, and act according to that. That's all from my side.
Thank you, sir. It was very insightful. We will have some questions from participants. So there is one challenge. We have only 7 minutes left on the session. So if the session gets disconnected, I will send you another link and we'll reconnect again.
No problem.
Guys, please ask your questions. So Lalita has the first question. She asks, we have always seen you as a sweet and a polite person. You always have kind words to say to everyone you meet. So what do you do in a situation when you get angry on someone, and how do you calm yourself down?
I sit alone in my cabin and just do meditation. क्योंकि earlier I used to have बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता था, and people in my office say that sir पूरा office हिल रहा है, मैं किसी को डांटता था. So I just keep calm myself and just सोचता था कि why he or she done it, and after making me cool and call him to my cabin and just talk to him regarding what exactly it happens and try to identify where exactly the problem is. मैं अपना गुस्सा भी शांत कर देता था, सामने वाले का भी डर खत्म कर देता. So that's the way I used to go for it.
So very interesting. So I have a question now. So since you were an angry young man before, and now that you become somebody who's very balanced, how did the transition happen? So what was the touch point that made you transition from a person who was very different to what you are doing?
CMS, still am an angry man only. I learned from my experience. I learned from I learned from my mentor. My mentor is only one, is Mr. Shrikant Phasi. So I learned from him also, and I learned from my experience from past 25 years. I am along with him. So I learned that I just now said in this whole speech what I said to you and conversation that you can shout at them. You cannot get anything out of it. Calmly, अच्छे से, प्यार से करो. Then I realize I am losing my temper, increasing my BP, and giving a negativity in my team. So I don't go for that right now. Shanti se, pyar se, make them. They'll understand that.
But it's a very interesting
And
thing.
I have experience of that also.
It's a very interesting thing that you have transitioned over a period of time from something which was very different to something which we see today. It's a very different kind of experience that every individual goes through, or it's a journey that it is said that we all go through a journey. So it's a journey that you've gone through. So was there any point which made you realize that this is not something that is right?
Nothing like that, because the anger which I keep in my office, because I said now out of 24 hours, I am spending around 12 hours in the office, and I get so much anger and shouting at people, shouting at clients and everything. So the same attitude I'll get it in my house also. So my house also be बोलता क्या पापा क्या ये. So I stopped doing and realized that I am getting hyper. So I started talking lovingly and trying to make them understand calmly. So same thing I had to change in my house. Start talking with them and same. So that makes me difference, and I feel that now is the thing you can share with them and calmly you can make them understand. उनको अच्छा लगेगा. Negativity ज़्यादा नहीं आएगी. So that's the point which I feel that I change myself.
So next question is from Karthik Ramani. So he's asking, sir, we have seen your cabin decorated with lot of things every time. What is the reason behind the same?
See, I need everything to be a positive way. A dull cabin or actually if nothing, a cabin with a table and a person is sitting over here. Even you also feel not जाके तो बोलोगे हाँ okay sir how are you हाँ ठीक है एक dull atmosphere रहेगा. If a person जैसे मैं also come to my cabin, he feel and उसके चेहरे पे एक smile आता है, एक वाह क्या बात है सर. So I just need that smile in their face, and they feel happy. And they when they go out from the cabin, they should feel a positivity inside. That okay, wow, मजा आ गया आज, सर के पास जाके मजा आ गया. So that's why I gave all the things. Really, even if you can see there, the flowers are real, and you can everything. I feel so that I can whatever positivity I can give to my people, I try to give that in that manner.
Excellent point, sir. So the next question is from Shitish Prabhu, who's from Kerala. He's asking, sir, ego as an individual is something which we should not have, but there is some aspect of ego that can be positively used as a leader. What is your comment on
I'll say that ego and preferably who asked this? Kshitij.
that? Shitish Prabhu from Kerala.
Kshitij, I think so. That ego, I think so. You should not have to keep carry on with you because earlier I saw many of the people, even with me and some persons are there with too much of ego. They not achieved anything. They rather than ego is something like as a revenge. If you have that ego inside, always you have a mindset that okay, I want to take a something revenge or something like that. It will never work it out. Be down to the earth. Be down to the earth and be humble. See, you can achieve everything. Just leave ego.
So we'll get disconnected now. I'll send you the link again and we'll connect one more time because there is a time limit which we've crossed. So I'll just disconnect and we'll reconnect one more time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. 1 minute. Kshitij, I just want to say one more thing to you that if anybody hurts and if it come to the ego, don't react over that thing. Try to overcome from that ego and don't उसको ऐसे मत लो अपने अंदर मत लो. Don't take it as a revenge or something. Just work on it and show them what they said that is wrong or what they said is maybe right also. Try to improve yourself and do according to that.
Okay, so who has the next question? Please ask your question. So you handle a very huge plant. How do you handle a situation where a person leaves and how do you manage? How do you have to manage? It's from Satyan.
Situation where a critical person leaves leaves and you have to manage. Okay, critical person when to be frank to you, from 25 years I am with these plant people. When you can see my staff is there with from past 10 years. Nobody has left me. Always there with me. When critical situation handled by me, you mean to say Satyan that critical person leaves me and how I handle? You mean ask? You want to ask me that? Am I?
Sir, I'm saying
Probably yes.
that he's very critical to the process. He's very critical,
So
and he's
he's
made up
saying the
an
person
image.
is very critical to the plant, and if that person wants to leave, so how do you handle that situation? If there's a person who is very critical to the plant or to the organization, how do you handle that situation?
How I handle the situation? It's happened to me recently. My plant manager, Mr. Hemant Saxena, he's a critical person in my the entire plant. He know from for past 10 to 15 years he's handling that thing. But we have to go for it. I know that he is going to lead that thing. That's the leader, and that's the assessment you always have to keep in your mind. That you have to be a someone who should be a standby. That if he want to go or वो जाना चाहता है, ask him to leave. Okay, no problem. Because he want to have a good future and all this thing. Generally, it don't happen to me, but this time it happened to me that he have to go because my plant is not running, and he got a good job in South Africa. He left there. But in that case, my plant is not shut down. My I in that case I asked him and Saxena from past 5 years. I am saying to him that he make them learn from the below the down line, and he done that. So that's nothing. मेरे को ऐसा कुछ लगा नहीं कि he left and my plant have been shut down. Yes, there will be a problem when new project will come. That time I'll definitely ask help from him, and definitely I know that he will be helping. Also, Satyan, you got your answer.
The next question is from Srijit, who's from Carnival Skill Foundation. His question is, who is your leader in your life and why?
See, Srijit,
Srijit.
I never keep any leader for me. I kept mentor for me. That is my boss from the beginning. When I started my career, my boss, that is your all boss, Dr. Shrikant Phasi. I'm there with him from past 25 years. I started career with him till I'm with him. I learn from him. He's my mentor. I learn from everything from him.
The next question is from Shilpa. Shilpa is asking, good evening, sir. Youngest trade to an important position today. What's the difference and how do you deal with the change?
Yes. Am I done something? Okay.
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Youngest trade to an important position today. What's the difference and how do you deal with the changes? Shilpa, what you exactly want to ask me?
So you are very well known as a youngest trader. When you
Okay, you're
entered,
talking about me. Okay, I understand.
yes,
You're talking about me.
you entered as a youngest trader in the industry. You are known as a youngest trader. From there to where you have reached now. So I am sure there's a lot of change. So how have you dealt with this and how have you managed it?
See, everyone say that कि I'm a youngest trader. So अब तो मैं बुड्ढा भी हो चुका हूँ देखो. So now the thing is that कि I dealt with so many ups and downs. So from the beginning, I never. I just want to say that I never go and do the competition with my competitors and everything. I always say that how to build my brand. Like I am working with AOPL, I always have that in mind that even my staff also I say that don't go running behind the competitor. वो ये कर रहा, ये वो कर रहा, ये वो कर रहा है. Just think about yourself. Just think about your company. That what you want to become, and make your brand visible to the market, and let those competitors say that you see that AOPL what they are doing, and we done that from past 3 consecutively years. We have done a good job and make ourselves and our company in that market.
Thank you, sir.
So the next question is, how are you calm and composed in spite of so much pressure?
How you calm and composed in spite of so much of pressure? If you take pressure, then it will definitely you're going to give pressure to your subordinates or the people who are working along with you. If you calmly take the problem along amongst with your subordinates, definitely they will get into a solution. सब मिलके अगर वो जो pressure है will take, definitely that pressure is nothing for you. Easily you can take that solution and get out from that problem. So pressure earlier it's happened. Now also there is a pressure, but if you have a good team and a good subordinates and colleagues, definitely the pressure will not be happen. It can be eased.
So do we have any other questions from anyone else? Who is your role model for leadership? Actually, I think when we disconnected, Vimal had asked a question. The question was, who is your role model for leadership?
Yeah, true to you. I don't have any role model, to be frank to you. Me, myself is a role model. Every day I used to go at the evening and at my home, stand in front of mirror and say that ki aaj pure din kiya kya, what you have done. So I analyze myself that ki what good, what bad, what everything. And I try to ask people also, even at my home also, even myself also, what all drawbacks are there. So I don't go for that ki what my achai kya kiya, whatever the things. I always ask myself that ki what all drawbacks, and I do homework for that thing and try to improve for that thing. So I myself, it's my role model. So I try to improve myself only. So next day I'll come with a fresh, positive nature and come back to the thing that ki jo maine kal galtiyan ki hai, I don't repeat. So I think so. I myself is a role model for myself.
Do we have any more questions for Gijo sir? Guys, if you have any more questions, please feel to type your questions in the chat box. He'll be more than happy to answer.
तो अभी मैं ऐसे बोलना पड़ेगा पास पास बाय बाय. But anyway, so have you decorated your house like your cabin? Yeah, most welcome to my house. Whenever I think so, till now anyone come to my house, they said that yes, the same positivity what you have in the cabin, when you come to my house also, the same positivity you will get, because after so much of work, after 12 hours, when you enter in your house, you should feel the same atmosphere. So I kept it like that only.
So what do you do to stay fit? Ramya is asking.
I'm not fit. Who said I am fit? Fit निकला है वो.
Shilpa is saying you carry positivity along with you wherever you go. So would you want to share the mantra of carrying this positivity wherever that you go?
See, the thing is that कि if you always जगह हमेशा आप negative लेके चलोगे, ये cripple करते रहोगे and all these things, nobody will come and say that कि okay sir ये 24 घंटे ये cripple ही करता रहता है. Have ये negative waves आते हैं. Never go for it. You always keep it in mind, always keep it in heart that कि whenever you talk to anyone, whenever you go along with anyone, don't किसी और की बुराइयां, nothing, don't go for anything. Always जो भी साथ में रहे, he feel that कि इससे मैंने बात करके मेरे को आगे और अच्छा लगा, और अच्छा कुछ करने को लगा, और अच्छा कुछ positive मिला. That's the thing you should have inside you. Don't cribble, don't backstab or something like that. So always keep in mind that कि whoever's come to you may be having so much of pressure, so much ये होगा, तो परेशानी होगी. Just make calm and give good smile to that face. 2 मिनट के लिए उसकी अच्छी बात करो. See that difference we can see.
Right, sir.
मैंने अपने मूछे बढ़ा लिए. Okay, मेरे पास नहीं है बेटा.
Sir, guys, do we have any other questions for him? I think we don't have any questions. So let me thank you on behalf of the entire HR team, guys. You were really lucky. This is the first time that he's gone on a forum and spoken. In fact, I was insisting him that he should come and speak, and he readily agreed. But then
Thank you, man. This is the first time.
This is the first time, right?
Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. You insisted me a lot.
Yes. So thank you very much, sir. The simple insights that you gave us from the experience, and in fact, I am a personal believer that experience is the only teacher. And the experience that you have given and shared with us was really, really wonderful. Before we end the session, we have a tradition of the speaker sharing one final insight with the team so that they can take that away and become good leaders like what you are. So your final insight.
The thing is that I think so. Okay, what leadership? I put all the things. What I also wrote all the points on that thing. Keep it in heart. Keep it in mind. 100%. Don't need anyone. I say, trust me, Jijo John, that कि मैंने आपको ये word कहा है कि trust that thing. You don't need any leadership program, anything. Those things, everything, you keep it in your mind, keep it in your day-to-day time. You will be the best leader. I promise you.
Thank you, sir. It was in fact really enriching for us.
Sorry, it doesn't mean that कि आपने leadership program कर रहे हैं तो गलत है. It's very good. उससे ही पता चल रहा है.
So in fact, this was a really high energy session, and I'm a personal believer that energy is everything. And you've demonstrated that energy, and with the responses that we are getting from people, we could see that you've actually enriched participants with the energy that you carry everywhere, which is about the positive vibe that you take everywhere. So thank you very much, and thank you guys for being there, and thank you, sir, for sharing your insights. It was wonderful to have you on the SLP forum. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone. Hope so I'm not bored you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Good night. Be safe. Be at home.
Signing off, guys. Thank you.